my name is Priscilla, and this is Toddler Time with Priscilla. Hi everyone, welcome back to Toddler Time with Priscilla. Are you tired of your child eating Play-Doh? I know I am. So let me help you out by showing you how to make edible Play-Doh. What you'll need is powdered sugar, cake frosting, food coloring, a bowl, a spoon, and gloves. Mix together the powdered sugar and frosting in a large bowl with the spoon. Once the mixture starts to thicken, knead with your hands until you have the same consistency as a store-bought dough. If your dough is sticky, add a bit more sugar. Put some gloves on and separate the dough into 4 parts. Add food coloring to each one. And knead until the color is worked in. Now let your little ones have fun and make their own creations. That's it for today's Toddler Time with Priscilla. Hope you have a great time creating this with your little ones. Be sure to follow us so you don't miss out on our next fun Toddler Time activity. Until next time, stay connected, stay active, and stay engaged. Yum!